postman just dropped me off a present. Yes, sir. Accessport is finally here. Alright. So there's that. Got our box.
There she is.
And we got a carrying case. Ooh.
Warning.
Warning. Blah,
Car
blah,
might
blah.
take off.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Maps are preloaded.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Decent. And then it also had. So there's that cord to plug in the computer. And then there's this tray.
Where's the mount at?
All right, so to install this cord, what I'm doing is I'm gonna pop out this part right here. I'm just gonna take a flathead and put it in here. And it's metal clips, so it's gonna be tough to get out, but you're not gonna break anything, if you know what I mean. And it pops out like that. Accessport, so what I'm doing is I'm gonna unplug that, because then if I close this, it won't be able to fit. That you can't close it. You push these little tabs in on the side, and I'll just use that same flathead.
Also, be sure not to be rough with it, because that is the thing that taps into your engine. So if you mess that up, it's game over.
And so then there's a hole right here on the side to where I'm gonna plug it in. It's plugged in there. And then I'm just gonna tuck all these cords in there. Can close that.
Day 2.
Ended up mounting it right there. I had an old phone mount that I used, and because the Cobb Accessport is magnetic and it sticks to this tray, it just stuck to the phone mount that I had. But I do have a phone mount coming on its way. It's coming from Amazon, and it was only 10 bucks, and it utilizes the actual holder, so I'm gonna do that. But for right now, this is okay. Little side note, the sticky thing that it came with is kind of garbo. There's not really any spot to stick it to, because there's no spot up here that's like completely flat to stick to. It sticks okay to like the window, but then it's like pointed downwards, so that's not gonna work. But I got that right there. I didn't finish recording it yesterday because I actually painted my brake calipers. So right after we put the Cobb Accessport on, I started painting the calipers, and I had to go to work, so I only got the front ones done. But today I'm gonna finish doing the rears. I didn't record too much of the fronts just because I was on a time strain.
3 days later.
All right, so just installed my stratified tune. Like a tunnel or something to Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. I'm gonna have a playlist of my other ST videos on the screen, so be sure to check that out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.